Are you looking forward to upgrading your skills? In this world of digitalization, would you like to learn something that could be helpful to you professionally? Well, there are many things that you can learn to survive in the digital world. Digital marketing is a new scope of career that is touching sky nowadays. Digital media took over the industry overnight and it is not going to evade off anytime soon. Therefore, if you are interested to become the part of today's digital world but don't know where to begin, then this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about digital marketing for beginners. If you are learning about digital marketing for the first time, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because we are going to present you a guide to learn digital marketing, like what all you need to learn to begin with digital marketing and how the knowledge could be helpful for you to earn a living. So, are you all set for the video? But before we begin with today's video, if you are new to this channel, my name is Deva, and for more similar content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you will be the first one to get notified when new videos are released. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. First of all, let me explain what is digital marketing in simple terms. Digital marketing includes any strategy that is applied to market your products or services online. You can also say advertising done through digital channels. It may be a social media, search engine, email, etc. While learning digital marketing, you will have to understand this thing, that it is not a subject or something in particular that you will learn overnight. To learn digital marketing to the core, you will have to begin with learning some simple skills that are in high demand nowadays. The first skill you will need to focus on is search engine optimization, also called SEO. Search engine optimization is a marketing term for making sure your online content comes up when people search for it online. In layman's language, you can say that SEO helps to rank your online content on search engines. But how? When you use Google or Bing or Yahoo to search for something like, let's say, what is digital marketing? And you click on the first couple of articles that show up on the top of the screen, and people trust what the search engines show at the top. That's what you want to happen when someone searches topics relevant to your product or services. And SEO is the best way to get there. SEO best practices can be applied to any online content like text on your sales pages, your blog posts, or your product descriptions. Not only the blog posts and the third-party blogs, but also the content you write on the website, and its whole architecture should be SEO optimized. Working as an SEO expert is a profile in the field of digital marketing, or SEO skills can be paired with content marketing. If you want to learn SEO, these are the few things that you should begin learning. Keyword research. Keywords are divided into long tail keywords and short tail keywords. You'll have to incorporate keywords in such a way that Google algorithms should not identify your content as spam. You can search for keywords using applications like Ahrefs and Moz to identify specific search engine terms, or Google searches that drive traffic to your site. Web traffic analysis. You can use tools like Google Analytics to analyze your website traffic numbers and trends, and learning how to use the data to inform and assess your SEO practices. Understand ranking strategy. To improve your site rankings, you can use resources like Google Search Quality Evaluator guidelines to develop effective ways of improving your site's rankings. Again, this includes creating both SEO optimized content as well as your site's architecture. Number 2. Social media marketing. Social media is not just for getting in awkward fights with your relatives anymore, though it's not going to disappear anytime soon. The point is, social media is also an important pillar for anyone who is looking forward to designing any kind of social media strategy. Going along the digital marketing ethos of channel diversity, a strong social media presence gives audience members another way of engaging with your brand outside your company's website. Social media also works in reverse as a channel for bringing your audience members directly to you by following your link content on social media platforms back to your own blog or website. So here we can clearly see how you can use social media as an important tool to grow your business by just creating a fancy social media page and maintain consistency in posting content. In fact, using social media to promote your blog articles or website also needs SEO expertise. You might be wondering, why is SEO needed here? Well, when it comes to digital marketing, SEO is everywhere. And where there is SEO, how can content remain behind? The scope for the profile of social media marketers is increasing with every passing day. As the whole business nowadays are set up on social media, firms need an expert to look after their social media accounts to attract their target audience. Number 3. Content marketing. Fancy term, isn't it? In digital marketing, content is the king, and content marketing is an essential limb of this field. Online platforms give digital marketers the unique opportunity to create and deliver content to their target audience on a regular basis, and that too with relatively low production costs. Instead of paying a premium for traditional airtime and advertising, an SEO optimized blog article or a product page can be posted on a company's website and attract relevant users via Google search. When you have to reach to your target audience on your website, you will have to write content in abundance. Like every week you'll have to write blogs as much as you want, third party blogs, articles and guest blogs and guest posts that you have to post in repetitive websites like Medium, Mix, etc. where you can reach your audience. So when you write a content, you'll have to take care of certain things like originality, readability, and the information included in the content should be helpful for your readers. Then only they will stay on the page and visit your website. The best digital marketing content aims to read like a magazine article or play like an informative PSA as in this video, all with the goal of informing their audience about the problem they are facing and how certain products or services can help them alleviate their problems. Unlike a traditional advertisement with a static call to action, digital marketing content can evolve to match a particular point in an audience member's buyer's journey. This keeps the digital audience engaged before, during and after the purchase, creating a possibility that today's viewers or readers will become tomorrow's buyers who will continue to buy and also refer new audience members after their initial purchase. Digital marketing does not only include blog posts and articles but also ebooks and guidelines, in which the content is longer than blog posts and you can find every topic in detail when you read a guide or an ebook. Video content. Videos cover topics relevant to your audience. Podcasts. An audio content that can be hosted in your website and downloaded by your audience. Email marketing. Newsletters and product announcements sent directly to potential customers. Today, the world is filled with content and people are still looking to read what is unknown to them, which has created a huge scope for content writers. So, if you want to earn more as a content writer, you will also have to learn about keyword analysis and other SEO skills. When it comes to recommending a career in digital marketing, you can go for a full-time job profile, but you know me, I wouldn't suggest it. But if that's what your passion, then you should definitely go for it. Or you can also earn a living by working as a freelance digital expert. Some of the good freelancing websites where you can work as a content creator, SEO expert or a digital marketing expert are Fiverr, Freelancer and Upwork. I have also given all these links in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And my favorite, if you want to do something on your own, then creating a blog is always a great idea. Guys, the options are endless, only you have to take a step forward. So here we come to an end of the video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other point that you would like to add, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who have a knack for digital marketing. So see you in the next video. Peace.